Marĩtwa njĩtagwo Dama wa Njirũ Mũrĩithi kana Dama wa mobile spare ũrĩa andũ aingĩ manjũĩ kũrĩa mĩtambo-inĩ, na mũthenya ũmũthĩ tũgũkĩte ta influential women in business kũrĩa tuma na atumia aingĩ arĩa me thĩinĩ wa biacara na ũigithia, na tũgũhũcĩtwo nĩ Caroline Mũtuko manyitanĩire na Herencia, na mũthenya ũmũthĩ nĩ twathomithio maũndũ maingĩ mũno megiĩ ũigithia na wonjoria, na ingĩ atumia aitũ moke hamwe na atumia aitũ we learn more from the rest of the women. Twakorwo tũgĩthoma ũndũ ũhoro wĩgiĩ ũigithia, wonjoria, tũgwetha mbeca nĩ gwetha na kũmenya atĩrĩrĩ twarĩkia gwetha rĩ nĩ ũndũ ũrĩkũ ũngĩ tũngĩkorwo tũgĩka after gwetha mbeca rĩ nĩ ũbatiĩ gũkorwo despite gũkorwo ũgĩkena rĩ nĩ ũbatiĩ kũigithia nĩ ũndũ wa rũciũ, na nĩkĩo Herencia matũrũgamĩrĩire tũkamenya atĩrĩrĩ nĩ ũbatiĩ gũkorwo na kanyũmba, nĩ ũbatiĩ gũkorwo na gaburoti gaku na matirĩ hana ene. Nĩ tũcokia ngatho nĩ Herencia nĩ gũtũthomithia ũhoro wĩgiĩ ũigithia, na niĩ ndikũmenya maũndũ mau mũno no ũmũthĩ nĩ ndathoma kaũndũ na ndacokia ngatho mũno hana ta mũrũgamĩrĩri wa Dama mobile spare, nĩ njoketie ngatho mũno. Atumia nĩ mabatiĩ gwĩkĩrĩra ũndũ ũcio either mũtumia wĩna mũthuri kana mũtumia atarĩ na mũthuri, ũkorwo na kanyũmba nĩ ũndũ wa rũciũ rwa ciana ciaku. Ndũkũmenya ũrĩa gũngĩikara rũciũ, tugaga kũigithia wĩigithagie nĩ ũndũ wa rũciũ, ndũigithagie nĩ ũndũ wa ũmũthĩ. Korwo nĩ ũndũ wa ũmũthĩ harĩa ũrĩ ũkomborete no wĩigue wĩ comfortable, but no nginya consider atĩrĩrĩ rũciũ rwaku rĩ rũhana atĩa, na kũigithia na kanyũmba can be the best way tondũ ngari nĩ ithiraga, maũndũ maya mangĩ nĩ maithiraga, but mũgũnda ũgũkorwo hau, nyũmba ĩgũkorwo hau, that is a lifetime investment.
So my name is Mrs. Sarah Kabu, Managing Director, Bonfire Adventures. I think I would want to encourage other women in business to attend such events so that they can be able to learn more about financial planning, about investment planning, because sometimes you need to hear from other people how they made it in that area. So this is a project that I would encourage, especially people who are starting their first homes, to invest in. I have learned a lot. For me, one thing I've taken home from this event is about knowing the best mortgage company with the best mortgage interest rates. So there was so much to take home, and I kept saying people, I am who I am today because of trainings. If you hear there's a training somewhere, don't think whether you are the expert of everything or you know it all. Please, there's always something you will learn in every training, in every event. And they also say your network is your net worth. It was an influential women breakfast, and I have enlarged my networks with the right people. We've talked of business ideas. So for women who want to venture in business, one thing I keep saying is that business is good, but it's not for everyone. So what you do, go out there, try out, make sure it's something that is your passion, something that you love, you can even do without even being paid. Try it out. If it doesn't work out, you can still go back to employment, but listen to your heart, know where your calling is. Don't just copy paste because you're seeing people doing things and making money and you want to do it, you might fail big time. So the most important thing is to know your passion and then be persistent with whatever you're doing, and then also be patient. Business is not like popcorn, which grows one day. And then, of course, you need to learn perseverance because there will be a lot of roadblocks on the way. So don't fear to make impactful decisions that affect your financial. Because bila pesa, to be frank, I don't know how we would survive in this world because hatutapata food, hatutapata shelter and everything.
My name is Regina Kengori, and I'm so happy to come here for this breakfast. I was delighted to be here. I'm a tax consultant and I run an audit firm. First, I want to encourage women to be able to invest in real estate. Women work so hard, for sure. We work so hard, and it is very important for them to consider their future. When you invest in real estate, you're securing your pension. So most of the time when we are running as women, we want to make sure that our children go to school, you get a comfortable life. But what about the future? What about 20, 30 years when you don't have the energy of the work that you're doing today? So I'd encourage women to invest in real estate, build a home where you can You can even rent it out. You can do Airbnb. You can do others. You can even sell it in times of need. So real estate investment is very, very important. The women in the economic development is a lot. Actually, most of the money that women earn is money for their families. It's not money for them. So they are the people who run, the people who run homes. They are the people who are buying foodstuffs. They are taking children to school. They are in the entertainment industry. So women are the people who are driving the economy because our money is for use. Our money is for the people around us. Actually, you even find that by the time the woman thinks, oh, I can do something of my own, I can go do my hair, is an afterthought. So the money that you're earning every day is for your children, is for your parents, is for your sisters and brothers, it's for people around you. So it's also very important for women to think about themselves. And when you think about yourself, you also think about your future. So what is that? What is your 60 years, 70? If God gives you full life, and what is your 80 years looking like? So investment in this real estate and such investments will guarantee a better future for those days.
Hamari twajitagwo Jera Ndungu, niĩ nĩ mũcori wa kambuni ya Herencia kana project manager, na mũthĩ nĩtũgũkĩte gũkũ gĩkĩro gĩkĩ gwĩka atĩ gũcokeria atumia ngatho kana airĩtu aitũ arĩa matũtĩkia makorwo magĩtĩkia mĩciĩ-inĩ itũ, na twarora kũrĩ andũ arĩa makoretwo makiinvest na Herencia atumia nĩo aingĩ. Ũhoro wa ũigithia nĩ ũhoro ũkoragwo na nditi, no ningĩ mwĩra atĩ nĩ ta atumia nĩ mũkoretwo mũtũnyitĩrĩire mĩciĩ na mũgateithia mĩciĩ ĩkorwo na kĩhumo kĩega. Koguo ingĩmwĩra atĩ ona kũgũra mĩgũnda ta rĩu kũrĩa Herencia opportunity icio cirĩ kuo, ũrĩ mũndũ ũmwe wĩ kĩama-inĩ gĩaku kana wĩ sacco-inĩ yaku, nĩ tũramũkaribisha mũke nĩgetha at least tũmũteithie kũgũra mĩgũnda ĩyo, tũmũteithĩrie gwaka nĩgetha mĩciĩ tũraria ũhoro wayo mũhote kũmĩnyitĩrĩra na mũhote kũmĩtongoria. Koguo maũndũ macio tũrauga ma opportunities ciĩko cia atumia cia kũu nĩ mũgũnda ũcio wĩ mũndũ kĩũmbe wĩ ngurubu ũgani tũgũteithĩrĩria nĩgetha tũhote gwaka bũrũri hamwe. O ũguo tũgĩthiĩ na mbere gwaka project ĩyo tũthiĩte tũkũrĩte o wega tondũ ona tukiuga ũhoro wa gwĩkĩra infrastructure harĩ project-inĩ ĩyo nĩtũrabatara aruti a wĩra, na twarora andũ arĩa mekuo aingĩ, even the masons, andũ a moko, andũ a gũbiĩka kũu, nginya mũndũ ũrĩa wathe biũ tũhote kũhe atumia aingĩ mawĩra kũu, tondũ mĩako-inĩ ĩyo nĩratũbatara atumia twathuri moĩ gwaka. Thikũ icio na rĩu atumia nĩmarahota kũnyita kabirũ na makahota gũceti rũgiri na magaka. Koguo nĩtũnyitĩte atumia mũno na tũkamahe mĩeke ĩyo, na tũgũthiĩ na mbere tũrehete aingĩ tondũ rĩu andũ mambia gwaka. Koguo tũgũbatara atumia aingĩ mũno kũu, tũgũbatara atumia kũhe andũ acio maĩ, kũmahe irio, koguo kũmarugĩra na kũmateithia maũndũ macio. Koguo tũgũthiĩ na mbere tũthondeke mĩeke ĩyo na tũconsider atumia thĩinĩ wa mĩeke ĩyo na tũmasupport wega.
Hi, my name is Brenda Ochieng from Fine Living Interiors and Construction, and today here we are influential women in Kenya. We had a breakfast with Carol, and we've been discussing on how to help other women get into investing in property, investing in real estate, investing in business, and to get bold and go out there and do what women need to do. You know, in the Bible, it's women who supported everything in the Bible. Go read the Bible very well. Women supported. When you look at the Proverbs 31 woman, she sold land and she invested in it. So we are calling you out. Don't be left out. We are really excited to influence as many women as possible to come and join us so that we are able to create an economy that is beautiful for our children, because we are creating a future for our children.
Your logbook, and then if you want your passport, because the logbook and the passport must belong to the same person, because it was 80,000 Lydia. Oh, by the way, Mercedes owners have to say, squeezing a jiringa. Jiringe, tena sana. And also, if they can't celebrate you, you need to go.
Yeah, sorry. Yes. I was like, why are you talking about which story? Because you just get started, take a risk, and yeah, just get started. I'm not sorry.
For those who don't know me, my name is Lydia KM. I'm a wellness and lifestyle content creator, one half of TMI.
And The men who have put a shilling on this property, there's a lady on the table. There's a lady on the table.
So I'm happy to say that I was introduced. Actually, where I'm standing, it's because of Equity Bank.
I started for the holidays. She came home and the first thing she told me when I picked her up from, yeah, exactly. Yeah, and so now
they're home and they're driving all the nice cars. Doesn't matter what your age is, you can just, if you want to become.
So much, Caroline. So to be honest, I had no story.
You're like that. When you're as young guys, I woke up at 4 a.m. to earn a living. Let me, you're looking, literally, you're behind the girl driving a car you wish you bought, hating her guts. Anything that big. And then that year, you were apologizing for your dreams. You were apologizing for daring to dream that big. And obviously, you came. And I remember receiving the car and it came in and then it was serviced and got me my extra keys and all the way. Gerald, can I now sit down and ask somebody else to share their story? Where did he go? Oh, there you are.
I'm here.
And to give you funding. And the funding cannot be given by someone.
and one of those investments is actually some land I bought. I'm actually Carol's neighbor at Acacia Cove. He turned 38 Juicy, like a week ago. I turned 37 in November. So we've given ourselves